Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a new update on Instagram that allows you to easily see the number of likes on photos using your PC. This feature enhances your experience by providing quick access to engagement metrics right from your desktop. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a feed filled with posts from the accounts you follow. Now, to find the specific photo you want to check the likes for, scroll through your feed or visit your profile by clicking on your profile picture located at the top right corner. This will take you to all your posts. Once you've found the photo you're interested in, look directly underneath it. You'll notice a section that displays the number of likes it has received. This count is now visible thanks to the latest update, making it easier than ever to gauge engagement on your content. If for some reason you don't see the likes count, it could be due to privacy settings either on your account or the account of the person who posted the photo. Remember, this feature is designed to give you insights into how well your posts are performing or how much engagement other posts are receiving. In summary, seeing the number of likes on an Instagram photo using a PC is a straightforward process. 1. Open Instagram.com and log in. 2. Find the photo you want to check. 3. Look under the photo for the likes count. With this new update, managing and understanding your social media presence has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your Instagram insights.